Good day, my name is Carl the Lego Genius. Today I'm gonna show you take 2 of how to make Lego fly. After the video, please subscribe and press the like button if you did enjoy it. If you did not, you have a quit to not press it. So this is what I made. On of my mom's drone propellers, what I put the Lego stick in, and that pullback engine I showed, this is him, and I put the handle on. So you put that in. So pretty much what happened, like almost like the wind, all other thing what I choose is to make almost like a helicopter instead of a airplane. So the closest what I could get is this. So the wind go there, and you push the air up, and that one push it up, and it go up and up till the spinning is, I almost want to say spinning battery is empty. So this is how it works. You gotta turn it 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. That is how you make Lego fly. Take 2. Please subscribe and press the like button if you enjoy it. Bye. Oh no, my Lego car exploded. I think we should change the topic from trying to make a Lego fly to trying to make Lego explode. Subscribe and press the like button, please. And then you will see the next video. Challenge number 11. Trying to make Lego fly. Take 2.